Hello everybody. In this lesson we are going to talk about what is a major sixth chord. So let's go. Welcome. In this lesson we are going to talk about what are 6/9 chords. So basically we are going to talk about the first thing, the triad. So we have the triad. Okay, in this case, the C major triad. Okay, so a major sixth chord is a chord that instead of having the seventh, for example, this one would be the major seventh chord. So a major sixth chord will be the one that doesn't has the seventh, and instead has the sixth, the natural sixth, so this one. This is a major sixth chord. Okay, so remember that the sixth major chord never has the seventh. Okay, but always the sixth is always natural, so it's a major sixth from the root. Okay, so in this case, if we have our example in C major, we are gonna have C, E, G, A, natural. Okay, now if we are gonna add the tension ninth, we are gonna have a C major sixth ninth chord. So for example, this idea. Okay, in this example we have now the same notes of the C major sixth chord, and I have the tension ninth as the melody, as the top note. Okay, we can have that tension on as an inner voice also. For example, this idea or this one. Okay, all those types of chords are major sixth chords. Okay, so you can use when do you use these major sixth chords? Basically, you can interchange this chord with the major seventh if the melody isn't the tonic. So for example, if I have the D, I can use this chord, or I can use the major seventh chord with the ninth added as the top note. Okay, I can have, for example, the same idea. I can interchange, I can combine major and major sixth chord, major seventh chords and major sixth chords if I would like to play, for example, or I want to harmonize a melody. Okay, underneath. This is the idea. Okay, but we have one exception. If you are gonna have, for example, the tonic as the melody, you have to harmonize that melody with a major sixth chord. Okay, otherwise you are gonna have like a flat ninth interval. So this is the idea. For example, you can harmonize that melody note underneath with a major sixth chord, or for example, I can use the fifth, the root, the fifth, and then my chord here. Okay. Otherwise, if you use, for example, a major seventh chord, you are going to have a clash. Listen to this. This idea. So we need to So we don't do that in this case because you are gonna have a clash with the melody, in this case the root of the chord. Okay, so these are the ideas if you want to use the sixth major chords with the ninth. Okay, so basically again it's a major chord that has the sixth, okay, above, and instead of having the seventh of the chord, and you can have the tension ninth, in this case the D. Okay, leave me a comment below this video if you like this video, and we'll see you soon.